Yo, yo, yo. We got up in this grill tonight. Let me clean up this. Look at that. We got some steak, some shrimp, asparagus, some mushrooms, some vegetables, some pineapple. Got different kind. Baby got a hot curry. That hot curry seasoning. I got just mild curry seasoning. So
But I want some
we be, we be, I can't show you because you're
Right.
yeah.
Because I'm looking too sexy for camp.
Can't be showing all my goodness gracious, but I'm gonna finish mine off with this. Yep. So, all right. Well, thought we'd share a little bit of food with y'all. We hope y'all enjoy our videos.
What are my other two movies?
Continue to subscribe, share, and like.
Oh!
All right.
Subscribe, share, and like.
Peace out.
For more videos. Bye!